So welcome to the Design Proposal Architect Studio, where we are going to take a look at what's happening inside. It's an amazing community. And this is our About page. It's simple to join. All you need to do is come to the About page and you'll be able to join here for free. I just wanted to show you in the classroom, we have a whole bunch of free trainings, and we also have our VIP members area, which is paid for trainings, but there's access to a lot of these trainings. And the one that I'm going to point you to right now is the midjourney AI ideation program. We're in day 6 and it's a 10-day challenge. So we're still going to get day 7, 8, 9, and 10. But let's jump into the community so you can see what people are producing. Leo Parker just produced an animation, which is super cool. Let's take a look at some of the images that he rendered. So this is a high-rise building, a little bit chaotic, but very beautiful. And he rendered these particular images using midjourney, a very powerful process. And he prompted it. And here we go. You can read all about the process. And he has a digital animation that he also produced in midjourney of his process. And it's just really amazing. Take a look in the community. And then obviously there are people that are commenting on the work. We also have Ron Sier, who submitted his digital animation. Take a look at this, guys. Also awesome. He did a house out in the mountains, I'm sure somewhere near Colorado. And you can take a look inside the community at his work. And then obviously we have some really cool stuff happening here as well. Here's some still shots of Ron's work. Let's take a look at what Ron's producing. This is just absolutely fabulous. Take a look at the trees. Take a look at the architecture. It's just exquisite. It looks like it's been hand rendered. And there you go, some amazing interior stills, obviously, which he animated, which we've just taken a look at. This double volume space, the steel structure complemented by this beautiful wood, which is probably going to be oak or something really beautiful that you can farm from the area. Just beautiful open plan area, kitchenette, just absolutely gorgeous. Would love to be part of this home just for a weekend. And fantastic work there. As you can see, the mountains in the background, the lake, pine trees, just a beautiful mountain feeling of crisp air, and fantastic work. There you go. Here's Ron's earlier renditions. He did a whole bunch. Also very contemporary work, very contemporary architecture. And the beauty about this work is that it belongs to the creator. So Ron created this work. This is part of his portfolio. And you could also be creating the same type of work in the same vein and the same sort of quality. Just goes over the training, which should take at least a day. Here's a controlled experiment that was done in AI, and this is part of the VIP training, but we did this from a real model in SketchUp and developed a beautiful render out of that. And that was done live in the AI training that we do in our course. Here's an interior that I've done. We prompted midjourney to create magnificent interior work that looked almost hand rendered, and it needed to be in a tropical environment. And this is what midjourney offered, as a final image. You can see that you can create the most astonishing work. This is completely original, never been created before, except for me in my prompting. And you could also learn how to do this if you jump into the pre-training that we have in the group. And then we have a whole bunch of architects that have submitted some amazing stuff. We've got Christian. He's also gone on an exploratory journey to render his work. I don't think he's using the midjourney traditional processes that we're using. He's going to be using his own private AI. Here we go. Michael Hawkins submitted this magnificent work. Let's take a look. A desert sort of outback home. Really great, beautiful stuff. Take a look at this aerial shot, the structure, and looking great, Michael. Just enjoying, the way you putting all of this together. Super seductive drawings, almost look like it's airbrushed. I love this one. It's really sophisticated. Well done to you, Michael Hawker, and fantastic work on your behalf. just wanted to say, guys, there's so much going on in the group. Take a look at Robert Crohn's work. He submitted this. Let's just take a look. Harlem, New York, infill apartment building. You can come and take a look at it deeper. Really beautiful colors, as well as trees, the winter in New York, and a very sketch-like composition, I guess, that it put together for you. And some more drawings of some similar type of typology. Brilliant, brilliant stuff. So just really excited to have shown you a little bit of what's going on inside. Just come and jump inside and also take part in the journey, and you'll be able to accomplish the same level of work. Simply, like I said, just jump in to the About page here, which you'll get a link underneath the video watching now, and then just join the training and we'll see you inside. If you're interested in digging deep and finding more out about my process, then simply just click on this video above. I look forward to sharing more with you.